Architectural plans, structural engineering, permit, it's like an insurance policy. It's a policy that covered both the contractors and the homeowners. A contract without an approved set of plans don't worth much. A contract with approved set of plans creating an understanding between a contractor and a homeowner and a contractor. There would never be misunderstandings. The contract could be even one line: project subject to approved set of plans. That way, both parties are covered. A contract can never contain all the details and all of the responsibilities that the contractor take on a job. And that's why, in order to create a successful project, the most important thing to do is to create a policy that's going to cover the contractor and the homeowner. And to have a policy that both parties know exactly what are the obligations, what they're going to get, and what the contractor is going to get in return, can be done only by approved set of plans that include structural engineering, survey, interior design, elevations for the exterior, permits, everything from A to Z. That way, the experience is going to be a pleasant experience. It's going to give the homeowner the motivation to build more and more, and the contractor the ability to work more and more for the same client. In order to avoid misunderstanding, everything that needs to be done needs to be on an approved set of plans. Do that, and construction is going to be an amazing experience for you and the contractor. A longevity for the relationship, prosperity for success. That's it.